got our van back. Yay! Have we even looked up here? Or we don't want to? From it like being so rainy this morning to look at how clear it is, and look how far you can see the mountains. Like clear, I guess. So crazy. What you goats think about it? Hey guys. So yesterday, I never did in my vlog or update you guys. I ended up making 5, which is good. I didn't make any samples, but I did do 5 orders, and there was 2 rainbows, so that's why I didn't get as many as I wanted to get done. But the rainbows do take, like the stitch out itself I think was saying like 20 something minutes, but it's laying down all the fabrics for the rainbow. Anyway, so I got some more stabilizer in. So I ordered it off Amazon. It's just World Widener stabilizer. I ordered it off Amazon because I get it the next day. So if I order today, I get it tomorrow. So that came in yesterday. And now I'm gonna figure out which orders I'm gonna work on. Again, I'm gonna try for at least 5 orders. It's 1. I could probably get more than that done. We'll see how fast some of them go. If they go fast, if they go slow. I'm not trying to be like, I have to get... The way I'm working right now, like getting right to work, because it's 1 o'clock now. We went... Sterling had her therapy this morning. Journey did not have hers because her therapist canceled, so it was just Sterling's, and hers was at 9. So we got up, and that's another thing, you guys. So at like 9:30, this girl was in the bed. I was like in the bed, and I was like TikToking and, you know, ready to wind down. And then my husband come to bed, and then Sterling, well, first Sterling came in and snuggled with me for a while, and then we were both, you know, looking at TikTok on my phone. And then Journey came in and pitched a fit because she is so jealous of her sister. She doesn't want her sister in the bed, don't want her by her mama, you know, it's, what about me? That's mine, you know, siblings. So anyway, finally, Journey got on one side of me, Sterling was on the other side of me. Then my husband got in bed, and he was like, well, let's watch a movie. And I'm like, okay. So he's like, let's what? He's like, if we start it now, he's like, we probably won't finish it because, you know, it's already like, at that time it was like 9:50. And so I'm like, well, yeah, we'll just save it for tomorrow. So maybe we'll watch a movie tonight. We'll see. I want to watch the new, it's like it's on Amazon Prime. It's a vampire movie. That's the movie I want to watch, is Renfield. I'm not going to focus on it, but it's okay. So, anyway, So with, you know, doing my orders, like getting them done and having an end time, and with me, first of all, not having that many orders, and then all of a sudden it got busy, but it's not busy today because I got 0 orders today. But like one day I was like aiming for 10 orders. I think I got 7, and then I wanted like 10 orders again, and I got like 5. I'm bumping this up. And then I got a couple rush orders in there, so I'm like, I'm like, if I set this time, like, and be like, okay, this is when I'm working on orders, and then I'm stopping at 6, I'm actually getting like a lot of the orders that are due to ship out at later dates, because if I have one, I try to make, you know, the other ones, even if they are like days ahead, you know, that way it gets it off my list. But doing it this way, it's like almost like less stressful. Not that it was really that stressful before, but it was like I would, you know, I would edit vlogs, and I would, you know, make clean up, and, you know, just basically, I won't say it was wasting time, but it was kind of like, I don't know, me putting it off. It was kind of like, well, I'm gonna do this now because I know I'm gonna go to work later. I'm gonna work later. I'm gonna work later. I'm gonna work later. But being like, okay, I'm gonna work now. That way I'll be done at 6, and then I have the rest of the evening to enjoy myself. And I bought s'more stuff for s'mores, and I'm like, I can have s'mores if I want to. But yeah, went grocery shopping. I did talk to Sterling's doctor, or actually the receptionist, and they're gonna check up on her in a month. So, and everything so far with Sterling has been going great. Such a huge improvement, such a huge improvement. It really is. Just to have her, you know, happy again, and like eating again. Anyway, I was hoping Journey would come down and do ABC math. Hopefully we'll get her. Yeah, so I'm gonna get busy. It is now 1:10. Oh, I put a roast in the crock pot. Zumba is tonight. I would really like to go. I've missed like the past, what, 3? I missed all last week that Danny was here. Didn't have a car. Did I miss the Thursday before Danny came? Maybe not. I don't know if I did or not. But I know I missed at least 3. Maybe 4. So it's every Monday and Thursday. And I missed the 2 when Danny was here. I missed Monday, this past Monday, because we didn't have a vehicle. And I don't know if I missed the Thursday before Danny got here though. Not really sure. But I really miss it, and I really want to go. So yeah, if all goes well, I'll probably go and then come home and we'll have roast, and then I can just relax because work will be done. Hey guys, so we are headed to Zumba. Are y'all excited? Yes, they are. I did it. Look at my face. Now we're gonna go eat roast. And look at that deliciousness. Oh, my biscuits. So dinner was delicious. And now I am going through Journey's clothes. She's got a lot of stained up ones, a lot of ones that don't fit. So yeah, I'm going through, and apparently, oh my gosh, my socks. There's only 3 of them, but these are brand new. They must have fell and got like, oh, there's the other one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And here I was blaming Sterling for losing all my socks. Because I'm like, I just bought him. How can they all be gone? Because there was like 3 of these black pair, and then there was 3 gray pair. I'm like, I'm down to 1 gray pair. So excited. But I have to clean out all these drawers. Hey guys. I finished going through her dresser. I got rid of some like of her old stained up stuff, but I got rid of a big majority of it, which was most of her clothes. Until my husband was like, yeah, we need some new appointment clothes. That's what I call them, like clothes that don't have stains on them, because I'm like, pretty much everything. She would always have like 1 or 2 outfits that were like not stained up. But when we made tie-dye shirts, I forgot to change her, and she got blue dye all over it, so it got stained. Everything else, like, she's just messy. So but it is almost 9 o'clock. It is 8:53, and I kid you not, I am ready for bed. What? Who is this girl? I just have to package the orders because I did not get them packaged. So I'm going to package these up so they can go out tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go lay in bed and TikTok, go to bed. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.